There's their Easter basket stuff. Haley, what'd you get in your Easter basket?
Hey, Daddy! Is this?
I think that one's Ashlyn's.
Daddy,
Okay.
I found one.
Good job.
Ashy, what'd you get in your Easter basket? Let me see.
Okay.
You got candy? And what else? Bubbles? Let me see. Did you do bubbles?
Just look around.
Ashlyn, I see a few. I mean, Haley. They're all up high. Can you say Happy Easter to Gigi?
Happy Easter, Gigi.